The only people who get it are the people who get it. Welcome to Jay Get It, where we're committed to helping you achieve financial empowerment through knowledge and actionable insights. One key aspect of financial empowerment is making smart investment decisions. In this blog post, we're going to dive into the world of smart investing, exploring its fundamentals, strategies, and the secrets that can set you on the path to financial success. Investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but it all starts with a solid foundation. Here are the fundamental principles of smart investing. Clear financial goals. The journey begins by setting clear financial goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, a home, or your child's education, having specific objectives helps guide your investment strategy. Risk tolerance and investment horizon. Understanding your tolerance and investment horizon is crucial. Are you comfortable with a bit of risk for potentially higher returns, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? How long do you plan to invest? Diversification. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes helps manage your risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. To make informed investment decisions, you need to know your options. Here are some common types of investments. Stocks. Buying shares in a company means you own a part of the company. Stocks offer potential for higher returns, but come with higher risk. Bonds. Bonds are loans you provide to governments or corporations. They're generally considered less risky than stocks. Real estate. Investing in real estate involves purchasing properties to generate rental income or capital appreciation. Mutual funds and ETFs. These funds pull money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds. Investing without research is like sailing without a compass. Here's how to navigate the sea of investment choices. Conduct thorough research. Before investing, research the company or asset thoroughly. Understand their financial health, performance, and potential for growth. Financial news. Reliable financial news sources can provide insights into market trends, economic developments, and investment opportunities. Financial statements. Learning to read financial statements like income statements and balance sheets can help you evaluate an investment's potential. Successful investing is often about strategy. Consider the following. Long-term perspective. Avoid the temptation to time the market. Instead, focus on long-term goals. Invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market fluctuations. Seek professional advice. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance based on your goals and risk tolerance. Investments carry inherent risks, but smart investors know how to manage them. Diversify. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce the impact of any one investment's poor performance. Asset protection. Consider insurance to protect your assets. Stay rational. Emotions can lead to impulsive decisions during market volatility. Stay rational and stick to your investment plan. Thanks to technology, there are numerous tools and resources at your disposal. Online brokerage platforms. These platforms facilitate buying and selling investments. Investment research websites and apps. Use these for in-depth analysis and market information. Financial analysis tools. Tools like financial calculators can help you assess potential returns and risks. To inspire you, here are stories of individuals who achieved success through smart investing. They started with clear goals, made informed choices, and navigated market challenges to build wealth. Unlocking the secrets of smart investing is an achievable goal with the right knowledge and approach. At Jay Get It, we're here to support your financial empowerment journey. Start by setting clear financial goals, understanding your risk tolerance, and diversifying your investments. Conduct thorough research, consider your investment horizon, and seek professional advice when needed. Remember, smart investing can lead to financial success and help you achieve your dreams. Join us in the pursuit of financial empowerment, and together we'll unlock the doors to a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching.